Okay, when you want. Present yourself, saying that you are from Nigeria, and then begin.
I am Chinyere. I'm also Salomey from the province of Nigeria. I'm a MIMA contingent. I'm looking at the opportunities, the realities on ground offers to the Marist Mission. One will be looking at bridge makers, creating bridges. And I'll be looking at the dimension of the grassroots, talking about creating hope, like our founder Champagne would always see from the dimension where others do not see things where others do not see. Therefore, we can look at the families in terms of the children we deal with. When we talk about the global family, I personally want us to look down to the grassroots, where we have children from broken homes, which directly or indirectly affects the mission. And that is a call, a reality we really need to, this mission needs to look into, to see how we can bridge that gap to make a wholesome individuals.
Nice.